Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome as well. If you haven't, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the like button, and also the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload. Now let's get into it. Today I'm here with the Bissell Powerforce Powerbrush Pet Carpet Cleaner. I got this carpet cleaner from Walmart.com for $79. So if you can, go ahead and get one. Just remember, every time you buy a Bissell product, $5 will go towards the Bissell Pet Foundation. So you're just not buying it for any reason. Go ahead and buy one so that you can help out a homeless pet. This carpet cleaner comes with everything you need inside of the box. You can assemble this very easily. You literally can put it together in 3 steps. I will show you that in a minute. It comes with the handle, the base, the dirty water tank, the clean water tank, and then 2 formulas. You will have one Bissell kind and one great value kind. Now to put it together, you will first take this one and you're going to stick it into the back hole here until it clicks, like so. Then you will take this handle here and connect it until it clicks, just like that. And then the clean water tank, it's 2 wings on the handle. You will just basically slide these 2 areas here on that handle, like so, and it's gonna snap into place. And once you take it off, just basically slide it up and it comes off. So once again, take it and slide it on to the wings that's on the handle, and it's going to click. That's how you know everything is in place. So like I said, it is very easy to assemble, literally in 3 steps. If you just would like to take it apart, it would be 2 buttons, one here for this top handle, and then one under the cord hook for this long piece here. Just basically press the buttons and they come out easily. So, didn't I tell you it was easy to put together in 3 easy steps? Are you sold yet? If you aren't, stay right there. I'm about to do this first test. Okay, seriously, after this, I know you're sold now. So go ahead, and if you like to shop online, go to walmart.com, or if you like to go in the store, go and buy one of these. They are very lightweight and easy to maneuver. They're easy to clean. They're easy to clean the carpet with. This is just, I give this a 5 out of 5 to me. I love it. And it makes the carpet even softer than what it already was. This thing is amazing. Thank you for tuning in for the unboxing of the Powerforce Powerbrush Pet. Remember, $5 will be donated to the Bissell Pet Foundation for every Bissell product that you buy. So just go out and buy it. If you don't want it, give it to somebody else. But just think of the homeless pets that are out here in the cold. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload. And remember, crunch and good vibes.